In this video, I'm going to show how to write a thread in Threads Instagram application. Just make sure you have your Threads Instagram application installed. It's kind of new, so just make sure you have that installed. If you haven't installed it, just check out my previous video on how to customize it very well and set it up. Then make sure it almost looks like Twitter. Scroll up and down, it almost looks like Twitter, and then all you have to do is you are going to tap right here as shown by the arrow there, and then you're going to see this, the Albert Teachers. That's the name of the account. And then you're going to tap right, and then you're going to have to write what you want to write about in your new thread. So hi, welcome to Instagram Threads. It's kind of new, so type it right there, and hi, welcome to Instagram Threads. After doing that, it's from the Albert Teachers. That's basically what I want to write about. And after doing that, you're going to tap on post. Okay, right there in the right lower part of the screen, tap on post. There you go, it's posting. As you can see, you can either select to view, you can see it's posted. That's the thread has been posted, view. So that's it. That's how you write a post, you write a thread in Instagram Threads application. Subscribe for more videos like this.